we are here to have an introduction, or let me call it an overview, to sports gambling. Shall we? Okay. What is sports gambling? Sports gambling involves wagering on the outcome of sporting events. It's the act of predicting the results of a game or competition and placing a bet on the outcome. Looking back to history in ancient roots, evidence suggests sports betting has a long history, dating back to ancient civilizations. Historical accounts reveal wagers were placed on chariot races, athletic contests, and other sporting events in ancient Greece and Rome. Now in the modern era, sports betting has evolved significantly in recent times. With the rise of professional sports leagues and the advancements in technology, the industry has expanded dramatically. There are a few types of sports bets. Moneyline, the simplest form of sports betting. You bet on which team or individual will outright win the game or match. Point spread. This bet involves a handicap, where a favored team is given a disadvantage, points subtracted, and an underdog is given an advantage, points added. You bet on whether the team will cover the spread, over or under. Involves betting on whether the combined score of both teams will be higher or lower than a specific number set by the bookmaker. Props, proposition bets. These are bets on specific events within a game, such as which player will score first, the total number of touchdowns, or the number of home runs in a baseball game. Lastly, futures long-term bets, such as predicting the winner of a championship at the beginning of a season or a league. Let's see the legal and regulatory landscape. Historical context. For many years, sports betting was largely illegal in the United States, with limited exceptions. The 2018 Supreme Court ruling. In 2018, the U.S. Supreme Court overturned a federal law that prohibited most forms of sports betting. This landmark decision paved the way for individual states to legalize and regulate sports betting within their own jurisdictions. State-by-state variation. The legal landscape of sports betting varies significantly from state to state. Some states have fully legalized both in-person and online sports betting. Others have legalized it only in certain locations, such as casinos or racetracks. Some states have yet to legalize sports betting at all. Regulations. States with legalized sports betting have implemented regulations to ensure fair play, protect consumers, and generate revenue. These regulations typically cover areas such as licensing of operators, responsible gambling measures, and tax collection. But please. Important note. You see, this course series provides a basic overview of sports gambling. It's crucial to understand and comply with the gambling laws in your specific jurisdiction. This module has covered the fundamental aspects of sports gambling, including its definition, history, different types of bets, and the evolving legal and regulatory landscape. In the next module, we will delve into responsible gambling practices and strategies for making informed betting decisions. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our platform.